All right, so how to find partners and what's the partnership strategy inside of Partnerhub? This is a video for one of our agencies, so here you go, but I decided to kill two birds and just get a quick strategy video out for the whole community. So when you enter Partnerhub, you have this activation area for sharing and receiving referrals, shopping the marketplace, and submitting or receiving opportunities. So we'll start with the marketplace. The marketplace is where all of our opted in users. You can opt out of the marketplace if you choose. So far, no one has opted out, so you'll see everybody in here. Now, you can sort by number of filters, primary, vertical. Our verticals are these 5. Ecosystem that the partner works inside or works on top of. If it's a tech filter, that usually means this technology is integrated with one of these ecosystems. If it's an agency, it usually means they sell services on top of one of these tools. Service that they offer, client size, primary area of advisory, location. So what I suggest all the agencies do is start with those agencies that sell to your same target vertical. Let's do e-commerce. Sell inside of the same ecosystem. Let's do an easy one like Shopify. And have a primary area of advisory that is non-competitive. So if you're doing retention marketing, PPC, traffic, that kind of stuff, maybe you want to partner with a more development-focused agency. Software development, Shopify theme development, Shopify customization. So you see these agencies under this filter. Don't forget to hit the load more button. And you open up an agency like Trellis here. Great agency. You see their location, size, core service. You get to check out the contact's LinkedIn profile, agency website, a little bit about the agency. You get their services, yes, but you also get why they partner. This agency partners for strategic reasons. That's great. And when they choose not to partner, why? You also get what partners they currently have and what technology they use. This is all good information that you can use to start a conversation. So you can say, hey, you can see who it is under their LinkedIn profile. So you can say, hey, Isaiah, whoever the contact is, I saw that you are doing a lot of B2B e-commerce work, building a lot of Shopify stores. We do traffic and conversions. I think we sell to the same customer base, and I'd love to partner. You send the request. Now, on their side, they get the request. They review you back, so they can deny it. It does happen. When they accept your request, you see this request accepted. And all of your requests sent and received, as well as who has joined, show up here. So you can monitor that. And you can do the same thing with technology partners. Technology partners are sometimes really great for helping you build a new service revenue on top of their solution. Sometimes they're really great just for sending and receiving referrals back and forth. Sometimes they're really great co-marketing partners. So you can find technology by, let's see, who provides me a backlink? Maybe you just want to have a link building strategy. One of your OKRs for this quarter could be, I just want to create 10 new backlinks for my agency. Okay, fine. Let's do backlinks. Target client size, you want to make sure that they sell to the same target customer size that you do. And then same vertical. Start with those 3. Apply. Awesome. Okay, let's check some of these out. Remember to load more. And we're coming up with a list view of this too. So depending on when you watch this video, you could see the list view. Okay, very cool. Let's start with integrate here, a new product that's in our marketplace. Pretty cool. They do a lot for partners, and they have a great partnership offering for agencies. They do a lot of co-marketing. I always look for this word here in the partner profile. What processes they make better? Data analytics. Okay, very cool. And some of the ecosystems they sell inside. And you can request partnership. Same thing, they do have to accept you back. Once they accept you, they'll live in the partners area, and then you can start a discussion and say, hey, I reached out because of XYZ. I'd love to get on a call. Or you can book a time straight from their profile. Now, another way to find partnerships is through this curated backlog. It's under projects, new technology, partnerships. It's the only project that you have that is curated, meaning as new technology join Partnerhub, those that sell to the same target customer profile as you will show up in your backlog. So you can open up these, review what they do, and deploy them, meaning request partnerships, same workflow. You can snooze it, which is a 45-day snooze, or pass, deny. You can also just drag it to vetting. When they're in the vetting stage, they will be vetting you back, so they can deny you, and it would show up under not a fit, or they can accept you, which would go into first call and presentation. You can run a filter. My favorite, live offers. Live offers are ephemeral co-marketing offers typically. Sometimes we let free accounts through the live offers portal here, but it's mainly co-marketing offers, things that they can do to make you famous, make you more prevalent in front of their audiences, get you in front of who they sell to. And the reason for this from their side is a strategy is really, with partnerships, you want to start with doing something together. This is for agency to agency, tech to agency, tech to tech. Start with, hey, what can we do together to create sort of a new audience that is ours, that is yours and mine? Co-marketing is a perfect example of how to do that. So when they create a co-marketing offer, they submit what it is, who it's going to go to, what to know, limits, expiration date, calendar for who's organizing this co-marketing offer. And you'll get into this person's calendar, in this case, Terrence, and you'll have a conversation about your agency, your target audiences, what you guys care about, all the great things about partnerships. And he'll get the information that he needs to create this article for you and get you into the blog. You thank Terrence for the backlink and the exposure to this large audience here. And of course, the next step would be, if there is alignment on the product side, schedule a lunch and learn. So you've had sort of a first call and presentation to talk about the co-marketing offer plus the product. Now, the lunch and learns are where you and your team come together to discuss, hear the presentation from, in that case, Integree, learn about where their product fits into your stack, what your target customers are doing with the product today from other examples, and decide as a team if that's something that you want to continue, which would then go down this track to reach trusted partner status. This track is laid out for you for a few reasons, mostly because most agencies that we talk to kind of treat partnerships as more of a passive relationship. They let the partners come to them. They let the partners push them in different directions. We are firm believers that the agency, you guys, should be leading the partnership. So this gives you the strategy. It gives you the path. It also notifies your partner when you get to a step that has an asterisk that you're at that step, and then they can take action. If you're at product education, Optally in this case is at product education, they should share logins to the LMS or whatever they need to get me so I can continue educating myself and my team. Back to this schedule lunch and learn. One of our agencies does lunch and learns every Friday. So they have lunch and learn Friday. They invite a new tech team to present to them every single Friday, and they treat it as a team building exercise. The company will oftentimes pay for lunch, like Catapult here has a free lunch opportunity here, paid lunch and learns. So they treat it as a team building, plus they get to learn new technology. And as agencies, we have to be ahead of the game. We have to know what's going on out there. And one of the best things we can do, instead of trying to find this information, is just let these teams that have put together the research come to us and formalize how their technology, as well as what's going on in the greater landscape. They also know what's going on with Shopify, what's going on with BigCommerce, what's going on with HubSpot, these big ecosystems. These guys know this, and they can bring the information to you so you don't have to go looking for it. Very cool. Last thing I'll show you here, opportunities. Somewhat of a new feature. We're playing around with it, but the idea here is you as agencies are always posting on LinkedIn about, hey, we need XYZ to help with a project, or we've got a client that needs this, or we'd love to collaborate with another agency on blank. These opportunities are submitted to other agencies only. They don't go to the tech partners. You can submit a co-marketing opportunity or a project lead client referral / job. And you can even decide what vertical this project lead should go out to and who qualifies for it, as well as you can even choose what services this other agency should sell in order to qualify, PPC. You can say something like, hey, we don't do PPC. We have a client that wants this PPC campaign optimized. It's not our wheelhouse. It's not what we do. We'd love to work with another agency on this project and collaborate and also build a relationship. So that's what that is. So that's how you find new partners inside Partnerhub. That's the strategy. Once you have them, of course, send and receive referrals. Don't forget to connect your CRM / Slack in the integrations.partnerhub.app. You can connect one of our guided flows, or you can create a custom flow. I hope that helps. I'm Alex, if we haven't met. And please reach out to us either through the support question here, or you can book a time under the support calendar here. Thanks again. Take care.